Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Ayra GK World. I hope you all are fine.
It's an English class. Fill in the blanks with has or have. Do you gap a rough notebook?
Do you have a rough notebook? The correct answer is have.
Anna gap a beautiful dress.
Anna has a beautiful dress.
My brother gap many cars. Choose the correct option, has or have.
My brother has many cars.
Do you gap something in mind?
Do you have something in mind?
The girl kept a lot of oranges in her basket.
The girl has a lot of oranges in her basket. We have music and art class.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye guys.